Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're wondering why I have one brow done and not the other and no makeup on, it's because I'm going to show you guys how to do the fishtail brow. Now this kind of trend, you would say, well, this kind of brow look has been trending on Instagram for quite some time now. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to try to pull it up here for you guys so you guys can see. Someone did a really good one. Okay, so it's pretty much this look right here. Now, okay, now I can focus. Now, I've only seen this so far on Instagram. Now, this look here was put on, I believe it was one of the girls from America's Next Top Model. I forgot her name. But they did this look on her for one of the photo shoots, and ever since I saw that on her, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to do it. I have to, because it's actually pretty cool. Like, aside from all the weird ones like the squiggly brow and the feather brow and whatever other kind of crazy looking brow, this one actually is edgy and it's different and it's like editorial in a way. Like, it's so cool. So I was just like, you know what, I haven't really seen anyone filming this, so let me just kind of go ahead, try it out for myself, come up with a way for it to kind of look really clean and crisp and easy for other people to do and film it. So that is what I'm doing for today for you guys. So I have my wine, I just had like a little snack, and I'm good, I'm set. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get right up into this video. But before I show you guys how to do this video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you like that I'm doing all these trending kind of videos, then give this video a thumbs up. That way I know you enjoyed it. And also leave some comments down below. We can always chat. Let me know what kind of looks or trends that you guys want me to try out, and I will definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, now we can get to the video. So this brow is done. I'm only going to do one brow just because having both of them done, I feel like it'll look so like weird and kind of crazy, and I think it would look a lot better with one brow done and not the other one just kind of looking normal. And the girl, I'll find out her name, and I'll link it somewhere here in the video, but she only had one of the brows done. The other one was pretty much normal, and the way she rocked the brow was, I don't know, like, it was so intriguing. She literally had natural dewy glowy makeup, no eye makeup, and the brow. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for you guys. Now the way to do this, you want to have some type of adhesive. So I'm going to be using spirit gum. I have a little small thing of spirit gum here, but if you're going to use spirit gum, you want to make sure you have a remover as well. So I have the spirit gum remover, and that's just pretty much how I'm going to achieve it. So the way I'm going to do this, I'm just going to take a disposable mascara wand, and I'm going to brush my hairs up. I found that doing it this way, it's a lot easier. And the way, like how I know I'm gonna like separate the brow is I want to go where my arch usually is, separate it there, and then just start combing these brows downwards. That way I can see when I'm putting the spirit gum where I wanna, like, what hairs to put it at. Now my hairs are curly, so they're kind of gonna go all over the place, and it takes some time for me to actually like get it to how I need to. So about there is where I want that hair to be. Okay. And I'm only really going to put the hair at the tail of this part and then the base of this part. I'm not going to put it all over the brow. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and take some spirit gum and put it just on these few hairs here. And then I'm going to brush upward in the direction of where I want the brows to stick. And I'm just going to keep brushing. And as I'm brushing, I'm going to separate these hairs as well. So there's one hair that needs to go up there. And that can go there. Okay, and I'm just going to press with my finger, just kind of flatten it out a little bit because spirit gum is very sticky. And if you don't flatten where you put the spirit gum at, the hairs is literally just going to be moving. So as you guys see, now I kind of just have that shape there. And then just to reinforce so that the hairs from this side don't go upward, I'm literally just going to put it here at this base. Just like literally a little bit right there so that the hair can just stick down and it won't move while I am doing my brows. And I want to have the hairs exactly like how I would normally have them, outward, brushed outward. And as you guys see, and then again, obviously press down. And there you go. Boom. Kind of already have the look. But because I want them to be bold and just a lot more defined, I'm going to fill them in. So to fill them in, I'm going to be using my Inkblot Brow Liner Gel. Don't know what color this one is, but it's like a taupey brown. And I'm just going to go ahead, let me clean this brush off because when you put too much of that product on the brush, it just builds up and it's not cute. So I'm just going to go ahead, coat both sides, and then I have my palette right here, and I'm just going to dab off the excess, and then start to define the brow. So at this part here, I'm going to go, and if you mess up, it's okay. That's what concealer's for. Just going to keep doing that straight line. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit more spirit gum just because there's some hairs that are moving out of its place. And I'm just going to take the back end of it and just roll it until it's sticky. And then with my finger, just pressing it. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit more. Alright, so now I have it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and flick the product upward and extend that tail. To how I want it to be. And then here on the top, I'm just going to go ahead and start filling in where I need the product. Okay, I wasn't recording. So far, this is what I got. And I pretty much outlined that part. Now I'm going to go in with some powder to further fill in my brow, and I'm using the Bodyography. This is the Essentials one. And I'm just going to use that medium brown to further fill in the brow. But and I'm just dabbing some product there. As you guys can see. And then again with the powder, just to further fill it in. So pretty much there you go. You pretty much have it. Now if you want to leave it like this, you can. I'm a perfectionist, so I have to clean it up. So I'm just going to take some concealer. Any concealer. I use the NYX Gotcha Full Coverage one here. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the brow. Boom. There you go. You got the brow. You got the fishtail brow. It's really, really easy. Like, this is the second time me doing it. The first time wasn't even hard. Like, it was really, really easy to do. Not hard, to be honest. Like, you're literally just kind of filling in your brow. Only difference is you're separating the tail from that arch area, and you're extending the arch upward rather than, you know, downward like your normal brow would be. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the brow. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Now maybe I'll go ahead and film another tutorial. Maybe not. We'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It will really, really mean the world to me. I want to build a family of rosebuds. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I will definitely continue to make fun, trendy videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!